Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to send big videos on Android so you can share your high quality files without any annoying size limits. This method uses cloud storage to bypass messaging restrictions, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to download the Google Drive app from the Play Store, which is the most reliable tool for storing and sharing large files on your device. Step 2 requires you to open the Drive app once the installation is complete to access your personal storage space where you can manage your data. Step 3 is to click the plus button located at the bottom right of the screen, which is the shortcut used to add new files or create folders. Step 4 is to click upload from the menu that appears, allowing you to browse your phone's internal storage for the specific media you want to share. Step 5 involves you to find and select the video you want to send by tapping on the file, which then begins the process of moving it to the cloud, then upload. Step 6 is to click the 3 dots on the uploaded video once it has finished processing, which opens up the management options for that specific file. Step 7 is to click copy the link, an action that saves a unique web address to your clipboard so anyone with that link can view your video. Step 8 asks you to go to your Messages app, whether that is a standard texting app, an email, or a social media platform like WhatsApp. Step 9 is to click paste to send the link to the recipient, providing them with instant access to watch or download the large video file directly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful mobile tips.